Yeah, before I jump into the live system here, just wanted to talk a little bit about BrokerMint, kind of who we are, what we do. Keep it real brief here. So we have been around for 6 years, since 2014, about 350,000 transaction sides closed last year through the system. So about 5% of US transaction volume going through the system, which is pretty fantastic. Over 1,100 brokerages today using the system. You'll see a variety of logos here to the right, everything from leading affiliates to independent brokerages to teams. So really across the board here, over 45,000 agents accessing the system on a daily basis. And we integrate with over 260 MLS partners, I believe, today, and have a presence across all 50 states in Canada. And just to kind of highlight our growth, it's not just us talking about it. Like, it's been recognized across the industry. So probably seen us within Inman, had several articles in the last couple of months, everything highlighting from our functionality that we've added for accounting and some other things to strategic partnerships like Chime. So regularly appearing in Inman. We were on the Inc. 5000 this year as part of the fastest growing companies in the US. So another nod to our great success here and continued growth. And then we were published in the T360 Real Estate Almanac. So just another place that highlights our place in the industry and our growing presence.